Hey everyone, for today's video, me and Delilah are going to be making feta cheeseburgers, and we're going to give a full-on tutorial on how to do it. And first guys, because of viruses that are going around and the flu, please wash your hands. Second step, it's going to be getting red meat and mixing them and pounding them so you can make patties. Okay, so now we are going to put french fries into trays, and then we're going to cook them, and that's going to be our french fries. Okay, now we need to make this contraption where we put a mixture of olive oil, butter, and a little bit of garlic that you chopped up. Then put the fries in the oven. Then we're going to take our beef patties that we made before and put them on the grill to sizzle. And we need to get our ingredients put on the burger. Baby arugula, I do not know how to pronounce that, but this is that green stuff. Tomatoes and onions, and we're also going to need mild cheddar and of course feta cheese. Once the patties are fully cooked, we're gonna have to eventually flip them and get that nice sizzling sound. And also, life hack, guys, if you cannot burn your burgers the way you want them to, put them on one of these. These are for burritos to heat them up, but it's so easy. It's so easy, guys, and they're so cheap. Try this. After the patties were in there, this is how they turned out. This is a perfect way to do it, and it won't ruin your burgers anyway. Is for the arugula, and you're going to put vinegar, balsamic vinegar, on it to give it that nice flavor.
Taste it now.
Yeah. You're also going to do the same on the onions and the tomatoes. The next step is for the buns. So, and you're going to put them on
this is kind of cooled off a little bit.
And we're going to put them on the same place as we did with the patties.
How many we got? 7?
You can find all of these ingredients literally at Rayleigh's. So easy to find. Okay, so we're going to take that garlic olive oil concoction that we made. We're going to put it all over the slow grill. And then we're going to put the buns and gently rub them across it. So let's do this. Okay, so we have all the buns on the garlic. So now we're going to start getting into the feta cheese. So we do have mild cheddar cheese here, but we also have feta cheese. So we're going to do some feta, some mild.
It's not just mild, it's Irish.
Ooh, Irish mild. Whoops, didn't see that. Well, let's get right into this. So now we have fries, and they taste pretty good. I did taste them. They're good for the whole family. Like, fries will bring everyone together. Okay, so we finally took off the buns, and in this style we're doing, you're supposed to put all your ingredients on your burger. So we got all the garlic buns, and we put everything up. We're just waiting on the feta patties that are still in there, so we're just waiting on that. Okay, last step is to put everything together and present to your guests. Dim the lights and have them taste.
I'm so excited.
Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial with my sister helping me the whole entire way. So thankful for my little sous chef. Hopefully this will give you some ideas if you're running late and you do not know what to whip up and you have company over. And it's so easy to do, and you can all find this at Rayleigh's for cheap prices. Thank you so much for watching.
He even made French fries. That's good.
For real, huh?
Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.